Well, welcome back, guys. Hey, new package. Yep, the windscreen just arrived for the MT-09. So let's open this bad boy up. See if we can get it. Oh, really? They taped it real good. Yeah. Oh, packing slip. Nobody needs that though, do they? Aha. Alright. Let's not cut myself. Throw that down. Ooh, fancy. Oh, lucky. Haha. Alright. Oh, something else in here. What's this? Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Honda? Well, whatever. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's, oh. He's leaned over quite far. I'm not that good. Okay. So. Oh, need the razor knife again. Where'd it go? Alright. Here we go. Safety seal. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Throw that down. Well, there's that. Put that down for a second. The destructions. Well, looks like 4 bolts. Huh. This ought to be pretty simple. Let's see. We'll put that in my pocket. Alright. Let's see. Oh. These guys really do it up, huh? There we go. Unwrapped like Christmas. Now I got the light smoked one because all the other, the dark smoke, and I didn't really care for the carbon fiber one because it wasn't real carbon fiber. Important notice, before installing, it is imperative to take note of the following instructions. Fairing has been installed, returned. Alright. Basically, if you install it wrong, it's your fault. We'll definitely have to take the sticker off. Don't wipe it with a bristle pad. Yeah, it actually looks pretty nice. Well, let's go on over and see how it looks on the bike. Let's see here. Bring this over. Alright. I'm going to tilt the camera down here. That was way down. Sorry, my bad. Okay, let's see here. Alright. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Alright. It looks like these 4 bolts just unscrew and this goes right on. That's going to look, wow. That looks pretty damn good. Take a look-see. Here you go. There's that. Goes just like that. Let me go grab the proper Allen wrench and the bolts, and we'll get to this. All right, so if you can see me here, there we go. All right, so these here, pretty simple. These come off. These things really aren't too tight. That's gonna be super easy. That's the washer. Well, so much for that one. There's that. Not that. Here's the 4 new bolts. Alright. Alright, cool. There's that. Let's see, what's it say? It says, it looks like you put the bracket on first, then you install the windshield on after, is what it looks like. Let me grab that bad boy. Where'd it go? Hold on. It doesn't really make sense because it looks like you can just... Oh, I see. Yeah, you can't reach the bolts. So, I would assume these pop off. Yep. These little covers. There. Put them over here so I don't lose them. Cool. Now, I don't know if I mentioned what year this is. This is a 2022. It's a little bit different color scheme than the 2021. The 2021 has black where the silver is, and then silver where the black is. So let's see what size is this. Nope. Not that one. Boom. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta take this apart. Like that. There we go. Speed this up a little bit for the video, but I mean, you don't want to watch me take this out, do you? I mean, come on, I'll be right back. Do this on my, you can't see me. There we go. Cool. Yeah. This actually came today. The day after I filmed the first one. I was quite surprised, actually. Let's see. These down here. Alright, so put that down. And let's see, what's it say? It says, upside down. It says, use the washer. Okay. Cool. So this will be this side here. Like so. Take the washers and the new bolts. Actually, let's do this. Oh, my head's gone. Whew. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Let's see. I'll sit down and do it. Alright. Here you go. There's one. Don't you dare fall. There's a second one. Cool, cool. Oh, wrong size. Oh, it was the right size. This. What? Is that a different size? Seriously? They gave me one. No, it's. What the heck? Oh, I see what I did. Ah, stupid me. I grabbed the ones from the windshield. Grabbed the ones that held the windshield on that looked the same. Alright. No, let's see. So I only have 2 of those, so let's see here. Maybe these are... These 4 are the same. Okay. Yeah, it looks like the the ones with the windshield are bigger. It looks like. Huh. Go figure. All right, whatever. That can't be right. What the heck? That just slid right in there. Oh, come on already. Ooh. Oh, son of a man. Jiminy Christmas. You know, I'll tell you what. You know, that's why we can't have nice things. Really, like seriously. Okay, so these must be the ones for the bracket. Seriously, bro, let's get on here. What is going on here? Holy mackerel. Like, I can make something so... It's definitely not that one. It's gotta be those. Okay. So, let's see what size this one is. These new bolts. It's probably this size here. Yep. Alright. That goes in. 3 different sizes. It's pretty easy. Can you see what I'm doing here? You can't see what I'm doing. There we go. My head's kind of chopped off, but whatever. You don't need to see me. That's tight. That's tight. Okay. Now for the other one. Yeah, these are the small ones. Oops, wrong size. Where's it at? There it is. Purple. Purple size. I'm getting hot. I need to take my sweatshirt off. The heater in my garage is finally kicking in. Okay. Oops, this one here. Getting there. Just like that. Alright. So these small ones here are for that. These are the bigger ones. There's that small one. Okay, 2 more left. Okay. Put this down there. Let's see. I know I have one washer here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Hold on. I'll have to go get the other one. It went actually in my wheel and underneath my car, of course. And all the big ones. I'll find the hole. Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay. Now, give me 1 second to get my, find this washer maybe. Went under my car. Where are you at? There it is. Magnet. Where's my magnet? There we go. Got it. Oops, I got another bolt on it. Alright. I'll tell you what, having a magnet is sure handy. There we go. Found it. Oh. Alright. Got it. Got that bad boy. Okay. Other bolt. Washer goes on. It's pretty, I mean, this is super easy. Super duper easy. Yeah. You don't want to tighten it tight, but not too tight. You don't want to crack your plastic, you know. These were actually pretty loose when I took them off, so. Alright. So now, we're going to put this one here on. Come on now. Right on there. What the heck? There we go. Okay, got one on there. got that one. Kind of got to move around a little bit because it's kind of flexes a little bit, I guess you could say. There's that one. And where are you at? Let's see if I can feel it. Boom! Just like salad. Alright. And these ones I think are the small ones. Yeah. We got her. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Yeah. I want to give a shout out to the guys at Motorsports of Olympia for helping me out with the parts list and all that stuff for it. Andrew and Robert. If you're in the area, go and check them out. I think they're like one of the largest Yamaha dealer, and or at least might not be the largest, but I think they sell the most. And you can go see my wife Carrie. She's the sales manager. She'll give you the best deal possible if you're in the area. So, all right, we are donezy. Look at that. I don't even know how long that took. How long did that take? 12 minutes. That wasn't too bad. Now where's those little pushy things? Here we go. Put these little covers on. There's that one. And that one. And that one there. Like, I don't know if these are actually going to stay on or not. I might like glue these on. I don't know. There she is. Let me take this off here. All right, back this up. There we go. What happened? Oh, you piece. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Pretty sick. That doesn't look too shabby. And let me see, here's the flow chart here. Let's see here. I tell you how the air hits you. It gives you like 10% reduction on your helmet, it looks like, and I can't see what it says. I don't have my glasses, but I think it says like upper body's like 5%. Let's see, 2% helmet. I can't read that. Man, I have terrible vision. But anyways, lower protection on the lower body, and looks like it gives you the most protection. So, I mean, it's not huge, but I don't know. Give you a little protection anyway. But yeah, man, looks pretty good. Gotta say. Cool. Well, tomorrow we're gonna be working on this bad boy, the TT. We're gonna be doing the brakes on it, pull it in the garage, pull the other cars out, and everything. So, give us some area to work on with the HREs on there. Motor. I'm going to be replacing this big bad boy here. This one here. It's intake. Hopefully the one that I bought for it, which is this one here, the CTS one. Hopefully this all fits up, because I know I have an aftermarket intake. I don't know if this is going to be big enough or not. I hope so, because I think right here, hopefully this diameter is the same as right here, that diameter. So I guess we'll find out tomorrow. All right, guys. Well, till next time, you guys have a good one.